Do your own accounts with course tutor Lisa Newton promo video. So this course is suitable for bookkeepers, small business owners, student of accounts, and no previous experience is presumed or necessary. And it's also for people who have just started or who are thinking of starting a business. So do your own accounts is all about, just getting it done using an Excel spreadsheet template. Now, the course aims to be applicable worldwide, basically, because accounting principles are more or less exactly the same worldwide. You need to record your income and you need to record your expenses, and you need a good template in order to be able to do that. What you will need to do this course is Excel, so that you can open the spreadsheets that we give you, the template. However, I think it's called WPS, that Excel spreadsheet type software, it will allow you to open up an Excel file. So as long as you can open up an Excel file and edit it, then you'll be able to open our templates that we include with the course. Now, a little bit about myself as your course tutor. My name's Lisa Newton. I am a serial author and entrepreneur. I have a degree in accounts with marketing and a master's in investment management. I've been studying, or can say working with accounts as in accountancy, since 1996, and I started my own bookkeeping business with £150 many years ago, and in so doing, over those years, I've helped many a small business owner to get a system going. So do your own accounts with Lisa Newton. If you need to do your own accounts, you want to save yourself some money, you don't necessarily need to have a bookkeeper or an accountant, but you just want a simple, effective way to track your accounts on a day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month basis, so that you've actually got something at the year end, a profit and loss and a balance sheet. This is the course for you.